Most people who read Think and Grow Rich fail, not because the book doesn't work, but because they do it wrong. Here's the truth. This isn't just a book. It's a ritual, and 97% of people never realize that. Let me break it down. Imagine you're reading through Hill's words, highlighting quotes like, "Thoughts become things and burning desire is the beginning of all achievement." You feel inspired, you close the book expecting magic to happen. But nothing does. Why? Because you've only scratched the surface. Napoleon Hill's real message is hidden under layers of coded language and deliberate ambiguity. It's not a get-rich book, it's a manual for rewiring your mind, and most people never go deep enough to activate that system. Now Hill keeps mentioning this secret in every chapter. He dares you to find it. But here's what almost everyone misses. The secret isn't told. It's activated. It lives in repetition, obsession, and emotionally charged desire. Most people read like students, they gather information. But what Hill wanted was transformation. Let's talk about the principle everyone ignores: autosuggestion. This isn't just motivational fluff, it's the core mechanism that turns thought into reality. Hill tells you, write down your biggest desires, read them aloud, feel them, twice a day. This isn't a cute idea, it's a hack for your brain. Repetition plus emotion equals subconscious programming. But here's the problem, 97% never do it, not for 30 days, not seriously. And why? It's not laziness, it's not ignorance, it's your subconscious self-image. Deep down, if you don't believe you're worthy of success, your mind will sabotage every step. Hill talks about faith, not religious faith but emotional certainty, and you build that certainty through repetition and emotion. Emotion is the glue that fuses thought with action. Hill even describes meeting his other self, a version of himself that only appeared during moments of obsession and clarity. Science calls this your reticular activating system, your brain filtering reality to match your intentions. When you become obsessed, you wake up this other self, the version of you aligned with your deepest desires, but most people never stay obsessed long enough to meet it. And in his final chapter, Hill lists the 6 ghosts of fear: poverty, criticism, ill health, loss of love, old age, and death. These fears control you. They shape your decisions, your habits, without you realizing it. To succeed, you have to kill your old fear-based self. That's the final boss. So why do only 3% make it? Because they don't just read the book, they breathe it. They obsess. They rewire their brain with autosuggestion. They confront their fears. They awaken their other self. Think and Grow Rich isn't passive, it's an initiation. If you're ready to join the 3%, don't just read the book, live it, rewire your mind, obsess, speak your desire into existence. Because this isn't a story, it's a spell, and the moment you believe, the world bends to your will.